We have here the MSI MPG 21 URXW 32 inches size, and also we have the HGUCD MG 27 inches size. As you can see guys, this has more purple tint, as you can see of the reflection in this, um, more on black, and the flashlight, the flashing on the screen, this is more clear than this has, a little bit dark. So I noticed guys, this is it has this 32 inch, it has purple tint versus this more on black. So as far as I know guys, this is 3rd gen QD OLED from MSI, and this is the 4th gen. They call this one tandem QD OLED. So as you can see guys, both QD OLED, 32 versus 27 inch. So I will play some videos. Just hold on. Better to remove the reflection, the flashlight. No, I cannot remove it. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. So I just play this one on YouTube. This is the default settings on the HG guys. A default setting of console HDR, and here it's default setting of the default setting of peak brightness 1000. So as you can see guys, there has smaller black on the 27 inch, but it has brighter on the 32 inch, peak 1000 nits on the 32 inch, and peak 1000 also, on HDR, console HDR. We have to put this one side by side, so as you can see, same time, more on black on the 27 inch. So reflection on the flashlight, the camera here also. You can see guys, on the 32 you can see it has more purple tint compared to the more black on the 27.